वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट। पिछले वीडियो में हमने आपको एनसीईआर हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस से एनसीईआरटी के एक्सरसाइज 9.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 और 10 सबमिट किया। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट ए टीवी टावर extends vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree from another point P, from another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Now see, let TR is a tower and at one bank of the canal and on second bank from B, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree and 20 meter from B, a point A, and from A the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now we have to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So let the height of the tower TR equal to P and width of the canal is X. So at first see in triangle BRT, here theta equal to 60 degree, taking tan theta perpendicular by base, here tan theta equal to 60, so perpendicular TR and the base BR, here tan 60 equal to root 3 by 1, TR P and BR X, so P equal to X root 3. Now in triangle ART, here theta equal to 30 degree, so again taking tan theta is perpendicular by base, here tan theta equal to 30 degree, perpendicular same, it is TR and the base now AR. So here tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, TR equal to P and AR equal to 20 plus X. So cross multiply, we can write here P root 3 equal to 20 plus X and here P equal to X root 3, तो P के प्लेस पे X root 3 into root 3 equal to 20 plus X. So root 3 3x and 2x and X in left side equal to 20, so it is 2x equal to 20, so X equal to 10. It means width of the canal is, so width of the canal is 10 meter and height of the tower is P root 3, P and P equal to X root 3, X equal to 10 and root 3 equal to 1.732. So it is 17.32 meter is the answer. So the width of the canal is 10 meter and the height of the tower is 17.32 meter. Now see the next question. Now see the next question. Question number 12. The question is from the top of a 7-meter high building. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Here let a building AB. Building AB which is 7 meter high and a cable tower later TR the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. कह रहा है कि फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ ए 7 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग, यानी पॉइंट ए से केबल टावर के टॉप का इलेवेशन एंगल, यह एंगल इट इज 60 डिग्री एंड द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेजियन ऑफ इट्स फुट, और इसके फुट का डिप्रेजियन एंगल इट इज 45 डिग्री. सो alternate angles are equal, so it is also 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. यानी total TR had to find. So let it as here at first see AB should be equal to SR equal to 7 meter. So in triangle ABR, here theta equal to 45 degree. So taking tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Tan theta equal to 45 perpendicular in a triangle ABR, perpendicular is 7 and the base is x. So tan 45 equal to 1 equal to 7 by x. So x equal to 7. Now in triangle AST, in triangle AST, here theta equal to 60 degree. So taking tan theta, it is also perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular TS and the base will be same AS. And here AS is equal to BR and BR is 7. So here tan theta equal to 60 degree, TS have to find, let it be, and the AS is equal to 7. Tan 60 equal to root 3 by 1 equal to P by 7. So P equal to 7 root 3 or 7 root 3 meter. Now height of the tower is TR and the TR equal to TS plus SR. Here TS equal to 7 root 3 and SR equal to 7. 7 should be common. So in bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Or you can write also 7 into 1.732 plus 1. So it is 7 into 2.732 or 7 2 are 14 for 1, 7 3 are 21 or 1, 22 in and 2, 7 7 are 49 2, 51 in and 5, 7 2 are 14 and 5, 19. It means 19.124 meter. It is the height of the tower. Now see the next question. The next question, question number 13 is, as observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse. Let a lighthouse LH, lighthouse, it is 75 meter high. From the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. There are two ships A and B. The angle of depression are, यह होगा आपका 30 डिग्री, तो एंगल ऑफ इलिवेशन भी 30 का हो जाएगा क्योंकि अल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल होते हैं। इस तरह से यह सेकंड पॉइंट का एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन 45 है, अल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल होने के नाते यह इलिवेशन एंगल भी 45 का हो जाएगा। नाउ इफ वन शीप इज एग्जैक्टली बिहाइंड द अदर ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द लाइट हाउस, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू शिप्स। इट मीन यहाँ ए और बी पे, बी पॉइंट पे जो दो शिप्स हैं, तो ए और बी के बीच का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है। सो लेट ए बी इक्वल टू एक्स एंड बी एच इक्वल टू वाई। सो हियर एट फर्स्ट सी इन ट्राइंगल A, at first in triangle BHL, here theta equal to 45 degree. So taking tan theta perpendicular by this, here tan theta equal to 45, perpendicular is already given 75 and the base it is y. Tan 45 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 75 by y. So y equal to 75. And in triangle AHL, here theta equal to 30 degree. So tan theta, it is perpendicular by this. Here tan theta equal to 30, perpendicular 75 and base will be x plus y. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3 equal to 75 by x plus y. Cross multiply x plus y equal to 75 root 3. Here x equal to 75 root 3 minus y. So 75 root 3 minus y equal to also 75. So here 75 can be taken as common. Root 3 minus 1 meter is the answer. R 75 into 1.732 minus 1. 75 into 0.732. Now it should be multiply 0.732 into 75. So 5 to the 10, 5 3 jar 15 1 16 6 11 1 5 7 jar 30 5 1 36 7 2 jar 14 4 1 7 3 jar 21 1 22 11 2 7 7 jar 49 and 2 51 0 10 6 2 8 1 9 3 1 4 and 5. So it is 54.9 meter. इस तरह से the distance between the two ships is 44.9 meter or 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter also. Okay. नेक्स्ट सोल्यूशन जो है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सबमिट किया जाएगा. ओके, थैंक्स.